going. Hi folks, welcome to another video. So we're off out in the motorhome again tomorrow morning. Gonna have an early start. We're going to Norfolk, we are. So it's pretty much our second outing in the motorhome. But it's going to be a little bit different, so you'll see that when we get there. So I'm just going to show you my motorhome at the moment. So there it is, all parked out on the drive. I've done my user checks, like the tyre pressure, gone around all the tyres, checked the oil level, coolant, screen wash, all that malarkey. Checked all the lights, make sure they're all going all right. I did have a problem on the on this back light here. Just the rear light wasn't working, so I thought I needed to go into town to get a new bulb, but worked out. It was I popped it open. The bulb wasn't sat rightly. Popped it back in, so all well and good. I didn't have to get a new bulb, but I might just get some spares anyway. But I don't need any at the moment. But yeah, we're beauty time. Let's skip to tomorrow morning. Let's get into the wagon and get ready to go, shall we? So yeah, see you in the morning. All right, folks. So we're in the motorhome now. We've got the mum riding shotgun. Kerry's in the back with the not two dogs, but we've got three dogs now. So it's got mum's dog's Jake. The only person missing is Gabriella, my daughter. She's had to go to Birmingham for a course, but she's going to make her way down to where we're going a bit later on this evening, so, and join us later on. But where we're going is just a couple of miles north of Great Yarmouth, called California Sands. So yeah, just join us on this journey down there. I'll quickly record a few points of interest on the way down there. So yeah, grab a drink, put your feet up and join us down there when we get there. So yeah, I'll see you when we get down there.
See ya. Yeah, apart from having a big lump on there.
I don't think it's got the road coating out now. Hi, so finally got here in took about 4 hours, a few delays, a little accident as well near just the other side Peterborough, between there, and a bit of old ups around near Gaia, and apart from that it was a pretty good ride here. Look at that, lost two of my hubcaps. I don't know, that one there even had a tie on it, so I don't know how I lost that one, but yeah, it was good. This one's the chalet here. What I'll do is I'll show you inside our little digs. So, and that's the what I said the bit of a difference is, even though we've came in the motorhome, we're stopping in a chalet, 3-bedroom chalet. So let's check it out, shall we? So we're in the chalet now. We're going to give you a quick tour around our chalet, what we're stopping in. So this is the kitchen area. I'll just float it around for you. There's Jake, he's just having a drink of water because he's been travelled down here for took about 3.5 hours to get down here, nearly 4. Yeah, about 4 hours actually, because of the traffic jam and that accident, wasn't there? Yeah, so we've got a fridge freezer, washing if you want to do some washing, but we ain't going to be doing that, are we?
Do no bloody cooking either.
So that's the dining area. That's me mum again. TV, got a pull-out bed. This is a pull-out bed, isn't it? 'Cause this is where Kerry's been staying. Let's go to the bathroom. Check the bathroom out. Oh, you've got a little cupboard here if you want to do some ironing. Even got a potty there, look.
A pot?
Yeah, I got a potter. Plastic potter. So the shower room. Got a walk-in shower. Sink and toilet. And it comes with 3 bedrooms. This is the 1st bedroom. Like I said, we've only just got in really, so we're not really. But we've been here like for the last 3 years in this same chalet, so I think we're here for like 3 nights. I'll go back on Monday, just arrive Friday morning. And it cost us 309 quid. And you can actually fit 9 people in here if you really wanted to. Okay, got a double here with a single on top. So if you've got a large family, it's brilliant. Also bring your pets, it's pet friendly as well. Back into the living room area. And in the 3rd bedroom, we've got 2 singles. There's our camper outside, motorhome. Yeah, look at them wheel hubs. I can't remember if I've just lost one, because I know I keep a tyre, a wheel lock on the front. I can't remember if I put the front hub back on. If it is, it's in the garage at the back. But there was definitely a wheel hub on the back wheel because I put a tie on it to make sure I didn't lose it. But that wasn't very good, so I'm going to have to buy a new one. Yep, this is the 3rd bedroom. And that's it. This is, so if you fancy it, it's on, here we go. It's on California Sands. I'll give you, like I said, I'm going to make a load of videos around the area, so I just wanted to make a video of the drive down here and just show you where we're stopping. Yeah, I will put a link, if anyone's interested, I will put a link in the description if you fancy stopping here, because it's quite reasonably priced, especially if you can, like, because I've got my mum, my daughter's coming later, so there's going to be 4 of us. There's me, my wife, 3 bedrooms, 3 good sized bedrooms. This also pulls out as a large king size bed as well, so you can fit, apparently you can fit 9 in here, so you've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 people, so you've got a large family. So if you've got a large family, it's brilliant. I'm going to finish this video now. Just say ta-ta. If you liked it, like I say, check out the description if you like the chalet yourself. You want to check it out. It's at California Sands near Yarmouth. It's about, how far is it? It's about 3-4 miles north of Yarmouth, Great Yarmouth. We've been here for the last 3 years in this exact same chalet. It's really nice, tidy, clean. Can't fault it, and it's good prices as well. I know it might go up a bit in a few weeks' time when the school holidays on, but you know, check it out. Leave us a like, subscribe, do all that thing, and I'll check you out around the area on another video.